Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i available on your iPhone? So I'm install and set up two applications what HUAWEI offer for audio devices. HUAWEI Audio Connect. This one is the newest application, HUAWEI AI Life. This one is oldest application. So we will check both of them. We can open the application and check the list with supported devices for this app. Let's get started with HUAWEI Connect. Right here we need to click Add Device and Add Manually. Right here, if we find Freebuds 7i, meaning that this application available for these earbuds. So you can find this at the list, or you can use the search and you can write 7i here, search, and we have these headphones. So this application available for these headphones. What about HUAWEI AI Life? Also we can open the application, click at the plus, add manually, then we need to move to the entertainment and click at the earphones. And right here I already see HUAWEI Freebuds 7i, so this application also available for this earbuds. You can add to both this application. It will have the same functions, so just select which UI will be better for you. And that's it. Now, if you don't know how to install and set up these applications, or how to add these earbuds to both these applications, you can check videos at this channel. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!